Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox fail to connect to the game, and in this video I will show you a few solutions for that, so keep in touch. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to status.roblox.com and look if the Roblox server is fully operational and maybe the problem cost is not on your end. And if the service is fully operational, then test your internet connection and make sure you have reliable download speed, and maybe limit some devices on your router, or maybe even try to restore the router and look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, what I highly suggest you to do next, if you're using some sort of VPN, you need to disable it. So go to network status, go to VPN, and disable your VPN for a bit. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to basically on search, go to firewall and network settings, firewall and network protection, and press allow an app through firewall. Press change settings and scroll down until you see Roblox here, and make sure these options is on, and then press OK. And if the problem persists, then you need to delete temporary files, and to do that, just on search write delete temporary files, and then go to temporary files here and remove the files, right? And that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.